Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my shower. The acoustics in here are great, by the way. I can sing many songs in here in the shower. But that's not what I wanted to talk to you about today. Today, I want to feature the Anespa Dx. So let's get a close-up on this little guy. This is the Anespa Dx. So, perfect, you can back out now. My son is videoing for me right now because I want to talk to you about this and the importance of having one of these attached to your shower. If you are on city water, especially when you take a shower or a bath, you are taking a chlorine bath, okay? The skin is our number one largest organ, so anything we put on our skin is going to absorb into our system. So if you're taking a shower in regular city water, you're absorbing all that chlorine into your system. What this does, and I don't know if you can see this, my husband attached this to my handheld. He took that off and just took that and plugged it right in here. This takes all the chlorine out of our water. So when I take a shower, it's like I'm taking a shower in a mineral spa, okay? So that is why this is very important for you to know. In one of my previous videos, I highlighted another machine that takes all of the impurities and filters out your drinking water. It also electrically ionize your water. That's a mouthful, okay? That is important also because our bodies are made up of 75% water, okay? So that is what I wanted to feature today. If you have any questions, you can hit me up with a message. I would be happy to share more about this. My biggest complaint about this is it doesn't come in bronze. And I've told that to people, but my fixtures are bronze, okay? But it doesn't come in bronze. It comes in silver, but whatever. It takes the chlorine out of my water, so I'm not gonna complain. So I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will smile at you later.